as S&P 500 and Nasdaq continue their selling. However, I do think we could see a little bounce higher, but only for short term. Let me share my plan with you. So S&P 500 chart, you're looking at that. We are continue to see this downtrend, but we could see, I'm looking for like a little double bottom around this 4,200 area to look for a little bounce. How strong? Perhaps maybe around the 4,400 area, then I might turn into a seller then, but we'll see. But you know, if you manage to catch it at this bottom, then still good reward to risk, 2 to 3 to 1. However, you do need to know you are trading a reversal. We are on a downtrend, so you are trading the phase 2 like this. So it is weaker, and you really need to I would suggest I always try to catch at the earliest spot possible. If you like to know when I'm gonna catch it, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you follow me on my Facebook, because I post more daily trade opportunity through there, okay? Continuing to look at the Nasdaq, again you can see we do have a downtrend, but we are reaching to a support level. So I like to see a double bottom form up around this 1450 area and go higher. So what we do is we can set, I'll set the S&P as well. So we could price level, check the level that you're looking at. So 14500, so you know, 14508, something like that, not exactly there. And then you can put a note if you like to, set alert so you don't need to babysit the trade. S&P as well, clear the drawing first. I like to see a double bottom around this area, so 4240 area. When I get to that, then I will go back to the chart to have a look. So looks like Monday I will be having a day off, so which isn't a bad thing. When you take a day off, when you know what you're doing, you can take your time and do other things. So trading is not a full-time job, it's a part-time job. It's all about planning. That's why I spend a few hours every weekend to plan my trade. Hopefully you do the same too. Okay, so moving on to Dow Jones. I'm not a big down trader, but I really like to see, oh, my computer is playing up a little bit, but don't worry, so let's just leave that. So really and truly, I like to see these 33,500 area hold, okay? Needs to hold. Russell is seeing more weakness through there, selling is harder, but again, I like to see this 1760 area hold and then look for a bounce through there. I could be a seller at around 1850, okay, because it's the weakest. I could be a seller. Looking across the Nikkei, it was looking bullish, but now it's changing to more a bearish because it's break back inside the channel. So if price reject this area, we could see it drop below, but you know, it's not top of my list to sell because it's still relatively strong compared to others. The last one that I want to talk about is Hang Seng. I mean, there is no reason really to buy it, honestly. And we may see a little bounce back to, or break this little area and then test the 19,000 area, then I will go short. Top of my list to short, actually. To back to here, take some profit, ultimate 16,000 area. So I come into the market having a bearish longer term plan. However, we may see a bounce on S&P 500 and Nasdaq, which I do prefer to trade the US market. Later on, maybe the week after, we analyze again, I might turn into a seller mainly on Hang Seng. I could sell the Russell as well. If you do have any question, drop me a comment. Do check out my Forex trading plan as well, because you will learn the overall market rather than just the stock market. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys next week.